Okay, so I'm really excited because I just received this action camera for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's really nice. Okay, we have the instruction manual with all important information on how to use it. The main unit, as you can see, it's quite small, and you have these clips. You can hang it with you and take it anywhere. You also have all the controlling buttons, the memory card slot, and a USB Type-C charging port. And in this side we have two magnets, so we can place it with any metal surface, which I think that it's really nice. We also have a screw hole in here, so we can attach two different accessories, mounts, a mount that also comes included right here. We get a type of mount, you can place it whenever you need it. Okay, and any kind of tripod, which I think that it's really nice. We also have a cleaning cloth and a USB Type-C charging cable, which I think that it's gonna come really handy. As I've said, it's a really small unit, and I think that it's nice because that way you can have it with you and be recording your day-to-day, record some vlogs, some action sequences, and I think that it's gonna be really nice. As I've said, it has a magnets on the back side, so you can have it just placed in one space and have it and leave it recording, which I think that it's really nice. You can also adjust it so it turns on when it detects on movement, the camera, which I think that it's also a nice function. You can also set it up with this stand, so you can glue it wherever you need it, albeit a wall, a mount, a surface like this, so you can just leave it in recording. And what I like about this camera is that you can use it to record your late night drives, whatever kind of vlog that you are doing, which I think that is nice. It has a nice audio quality, and you can take it with you and be recording all your day long and have a nice vlog or any kind of activity that you want to do. So overall, I think that it's really nice. By its size, I think that it's great, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.